We're supposed to go on vacation today, but there's something wrong with the engine. Hi, I'm Lara and I live in a van. And today I was supposed to go on a 3-week vacation to the East Coast. Right now I live in Ontario. But on our way there, we did like 30 kilometers. There was something weird with the car and with the van. And the check engine light started blinking, so we Googled it and it said there's something seriously wrong. You should stop the van. So we called the shop. They told us to come in tomorrow morning. So today we're just spending the night behind Mandarin and we're gonna play World of Warcraft and hang out, and then tomorrow hopefully they can fix the van and we can start our vacation.
We were bike dirt tires on paved concrete, on the right roads, just had the wrong wheels. But I see you back in town.
Good morning. So as you saw, Gasper just drove away. This is our stuff for today. And we are at this park across the street from the shop. It's 8:30 in the morning. It's gonna take some time before he's back because he also has to go get breakfast. We haven't eaten yet, and I'm gonna go find a spot to wait for him.
My head still spins, my heart still feels like riding a bike, just you and I down a long back road. Your brown hair blowing in the wind like it did back then, all those teenage summer nights when I
We just finished breakfast and now we have to find a spot where to spend the day.
get that feeling. When our eyes meet, I can hop back on our love like riding a bike, like riding a bike. 'Cause babe, our hands still fit.
This is how you make the floor ready for camping.
And you winding curves still drive me wild and bring me right back to wishing I didn't
All set.
have to go, and thinking maybe we should give it one more try tonight. Just take it slow like riding a bike, just you and I down a long back road. Your brown hair blowing in the wind like I did back then, all those teenage summer nights.
Okay, I'm back with an update. So they called us finally and they don't know for sure what's wrong with the van. They know it's something with the machine, but they can't open it today because the van would have to stay in through the night. But because we live in the van, we need it back today so we have somewhere to sleep, and then we're coming back on Tuesday and it's Saturday today. They said we can drive around but not on the highway, so we don't really plan on driving at all, but we do have to go somewhere. So we're gonna go to a golf course and then maybe stay there till Tuesday. We'll see.
I'm on the road still playing, but sometimes I wanna
Okay, all showered and now off to eat some food and then the golf course.
and kept riding our bikes, just you and I down long back roads. Your brown hair blowing in the wind like it did back then, all those teenage summer nights. Was I love you, you love me too. It's so easy, still get that feeling when our eyes meet. I can hop back.
Good morning. It is now the next day. It's 7 in the morning. We're still at the golf course. You can see the van right here. And we still have to wait 2 full days to go to the shop. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.